This is the southern side of Millersburg, Ohio. I don't know why we stopped down here, but it's on the video on the food. Just to show you that there is more to Amish country than just old buildings and farmland. This seems built up pretty nice down here. I don't know. Stop, get some stuff like hotel room or not. I just put this little short video on so that you can see there is more than just old country. Out here, Amish country, riding all day, areas that you might want to be interested in taking a ride in. As always, remember, keep your upper side down.